Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sesoboy, and today I'm going to show you a super simple way to add a link to text using Canva, specifically for your LinkedIn posts. This is a great way to make your posts more interactive and engaging, so let's get started. First, we'll start by opening Canva and either creating a new design or selecting an existing one. For this tutorial, I'm going to create a LinkedIn post from scratch, but you can apply these steps to any type of Canva design. To get the right size for a LinkedIn post, choose the LinkedIn Post template from the Create a Design menu. This will give you the perfect dimensions for your post. Once you've got your canvas ready, it's time to add the text that you want to link. This could be a call to action, a promotional message, or any important information you want your LinkedIn audience to click on. Select the text tool from the left-hand toolbar and type out your message. Feel free to style your text using Canva's font options, colors, and effects to make it stand out. Once your text is ready, select the text box by clicking on it. You'll notice a small chain link icon in the top toolbar. This is the link tool. Click on the link tool, and a box will appear asking for a URL. Here, you'll paste the link you want to attach to the text. This could be a link to your website, a landing page, a PDF, or any online resource. After pasting the link, click Apply, and just like that, your text is now hyperlinked. This means that when someone views your design as a PDF or on a clickable format, they can click the text to go directly to the link you've added. One important thing to note is that LinkedIn posts themselves don't support clickable text links directly in images, but when you download this design as a PDF and share it on LinkedIn or elsewhere, the link will be clickable. This is great for sharing resources, promoting events, or driving traffic to a specific page. To download your design, head to the Download button in the top right corner. Choose PDF Standard or PDF Print to ensure your links remain clickable. Once downloaded, you can share this PDF directly on LinkedIn, or if you're creating a LinkedIn article, you can link to this PDF file. And that's it. You've just added a link to text using Canva for your LinkedIn post. This method is perfect for creating interactive content that engages your audience and directs them to the right place. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Canva tips and LinkedIn strategies. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Keep creating and stay inspired.